However, on here at the Catigny Park in Wheaton, Illinois, and here you have some air conditioners here. Let's start off with this Ludex Elite air conditioner at the restroom center right here. It's got a Gentech ECM fin, but I haven't seen a Ludex with an ECM motor in person before. But yeah, depending on how big the motor is, it's got an ECM. It's also got an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. Disconnect box. It's got the on and off switch on it. Some 2018. I think that might be a 4-ton. It's cold outside, so these units have not been running. There are plants in the way. Here's a good shot of it. So yeah, let's find more units. Hello everyone, here you're at Northerly Island Park in Chicago, Illinois. And here you have this caged-in OxBox air conditioner right here. This one has got a GMCC rotary compressor, and it's got a variable speed fan motor. This from is and I think this is a new, I don't know what year it is. I cannot find the serial number on this one. Alright, here's a picture of this. Let's go to more. Now over here behind this fence, we have a carrier side discharge and 2 carrier Gemini split system units. This carrier side discharge just shut off. Here's the carrier side discharge. Find it. Data off this thing. I think that might be that's a 2018 carrier side discharge. This carrier Gemini's might also be from 2018. Take a picture of those 3. Alright. Thank you for watching. Over and out. Alright, I forgot about this one. This is the I found this last year at the same place. Here's another OxBox. This one had its logo out. It's got a variable speed fan motor. It's also got a rotary compressor. I also don't know what year it is. These ants do not replace anything. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out. Hello everyone, this is Connors HVAC and Scoreboard Productions. Yes, here we are in London, England, and I found this Mitsubishi Heavy Industries ductless unit running. It's behind a fence, so I couldn't get to it. I don't know where the data is. But this is a nice find. Oh, it's right down here, and I couldn't read it well. Yeah, it's running. There are 3 air conditioners in London, but they're all ductless units. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out. Hello everyone, I'm back at this 2007 Carrier right here at my grand neighbor's house. And did you know, last time I was here, did you know the old GE commercial fan motor died? It lived 18 years, and now it got replaced with a brand new Broad Ocean fan motor. But yeah, when the old motor started up and made a wind-up noise, I bet the old motor was dying. It lived 18 years. It was getting really rusty. And this unit has been running, so I'm going to wait for it to turn it on. And yes, I added a Carrier logo on here. And this is a Comfort series. And the top is already faded. And here's the 2024 Lennox Elite next door running. Also has an amazing scroll sound. I bet this one probably will have an awesome scroll sound. Still has the original disconnect box and everything. Everything is original except the logo and the motor. Oh, here goes. It is a 2007. Wait, I think according to the 46, I don't know if that's a 3-ton. I think it might be a 4-ton. I don't know, but I think it might be. I think I'm wrong. I think it's probably a 4-2. Yeah, and it does have R410A. It's got a Parker Liquidine filter dryer. First time I caught it starting up on camera. Just listen to this scroll sound. Clothes are still really clean though. Here you go, here's the 2007 Carrier with the motor replaced and with the logo on. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, over and out.